500 years ago, Rome was ruled by a tyrant. They called him the Proud. But all unchecked power is proud.
Tyranny invades the home. The king's son defiled Rome's greatest honor with a blade and a betrayal.
Lucretia chose death over dishonor. With her blood, she wrote the indictment of the monarchy and made the first sacrifice for the republic. From her body, the man they called the Dullard drew the dagger, and with it, the fate of Rome. A single body can be more powerful than an army. When they carried Lucretia to the Forum, all of Rome caught fire. Brutus swore an oath to the gods and the people. Rome would have no more kings, an oath that would echo for 500 years. And so, Tarquinius the Proud, seventh and last king of Rome, was banished forever by his own people. We won our freedom and built a republic. But the price of liberty is eternal vigilance.